Okay, second question, anyone have doubt? In second question, anyone have doubt? Second question, anyone have doubt?
No, sir.
Anyone? Okay. Third question, first one, 841. Have you all solved? First one? Second one?
Yes, sir.
Second one?
Yes, sir.
Anyone who haven't solved? Because the second question is, third question is very important. If you don't practice third one, the rest it will be trouble for you. Third one, third, 39204. Have you solved? Everyone had done or not? Third one?
Sir, done.
Okay,
Sir,
fourth one?
Sir,
Yes.
please repeat the third question. First.
Third question. Okay, third question.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. Okay, everyone do it once. 39204. We are having 39204. Okay, everyone pay attention here as well. So, see here, while taking in factorization, we made the pairs, and from each we take out. Here as well, we are making pairs. So, start from this side. Okay, with red I do. Okay. First pair, second pair, now it's remain single. Okay, it will remain single. Okay, I'm doing slowly this one. Pay attention, everyone. Okay. Okay. So yes, it's fine. Okay, just I'm taking this question once. Okay. So one, we have to find the number whose square is less than or equal to, just nearly equal to 3. So 1 square, 1. 2 square, 4. This is greater. So 1 will take. So 1 into 1, 1. How much you have got? Remainder 2. And now this whole will come together. 292. And plus 1 here, 2. By what number we must multiply? By what number we must multiply? Okay. So see here, forget about this one. Multiply this one. 2 10 20, it is greater. So largest number by what we can multiply is 9. Okay. Check with 9. 29 into 9. Check it. 29 into 9. How much you are getting? 261. Okay. Is it less than? Yes. And it is the greatest we can get here. So 261. And 9 we have to write here and 9 here. Now plus 9. Okay. How much it will be? 30. 38.
38.
Okay. Leave space here. We have to leave space. Add them and leave here. Okay. What will be the remainder? 30. 1, 3, and 0. Okay. Now check it. Now how we can check it? See how many digits are here. 1 digit here. 1 here. Something is going to come. So leave these 2 digits. Okay. Leave these 2 digits. Leave these 2 digits. 3, 10 ja. 10 we cannot take. Check for 9. 389 into 9. How much you are getting? Check it once. If we take 9.
340.
3501 you are getting? Yes or no? Is it less than?
No.
Okay, check for next smaller. Check it for 8. Yes, check it for 8. So we are just checking here. So here we got. So here it will be 8. 8, 3, 1, 0, 4. And 0 you can write or cross. Understood, everyone? Everyone, have you understood, everyone? Everyone have understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is hit and trial. We are checking whether 9 will come or 8 will come. Like that we are checking. Okay? We are checking that. Understood? Like for example, if it is perfect, we can see here even number has to come because 4 is there. That one also we can see, but this is the basic. Don't go on those all things. Okay, we check this one here. So in part of the notebook, a bigger margin must be there. You can check there every time. I usually check like this. This is clear. Okay, next one. Anyone have doubt in next one? 55225. Okay, so third question you all have completed. You all have completed. If not, do it again. Okay, do those questions.
Yes, sir, completed. Fourth also completed.
Okay, good. So fourth one.
Start.
Okay, fourth one, find the square root of each of the following. Find the square root of each of the following. So 1 or 2 we'll do from here, and rest we'll do as a homework. Okay. See here it is how much. It is not mentioned which method we have to use, and mainly if it is not mentioned, mainly such questions are always perfect squares. 1369. As well, you can check 1369. Okay. Point is there. Okay. We can write it as 1369 divided by 100. Okay. If you are taking square root of 13.69, it will be square root of this one, or we can take square root of 1369 divided by root of 100. Okay. How you are going to calculate this one? You can use either the factorization method or the division method. That's up to you. Calculate, everyone. You can use the division method or the factorization method.
Prime factorization.
Okay, first we are using prime factorization method. Okay, we'll do this question put by both methods. Okay, so that it becomes more clear. As well, decimal as well we'll take. Okay, so root of 100 will be 10. This we can easily do 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. Okay, or we can simply write 10. So 2 are okay. For root of 100 we can do directly. Okay, do the prime factorization. 1369. Do it. Can you do it?
No, sir.
We can do it,
No, sir.
but it will be huge number here. Prime factor. Check for 3, not 3, then 9, all the multiples of 9 gone. 10, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 37 it will go. 37 into 37. Okay. So here factorization methods, it's sometimes we won't be able to get. We won't be able to get. So we should go for the division method. We are not able to predict that 37 will be, it should be square of 37. Yes or no? Here you are getting 3.37 divided by 10, 3.7. But it was not easy to predict us. We were not able to predict this one. Okay, so we go with factorization or that division method. Okay, so either you can do the division method of 1369 only or this one. So I'm taking the decimal only. Okay, 13.69. Okay, from decimal this side one pair, from decimal this side one pair. You remember how to move from decimal? If decimal is there, we'll move from this side and this side, this side. Understood? Both sides will move. Understood this one? Okay. Now tell me 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So which we should go with? 3 square
3 square.
3. Okay, everyone must pay attention for this question. These are very important. If you understand them, you will be able to solve the whole exercise very easily. Only one way is there, no other way. Okay, 3 3s are 9. Okay, what will be the 4? Okay, don't put decimal here. No need of putting. Okay, see here.
Sir, we
no
can
need-
write 3 4 are 12.
3 4 ja. Okay, but we need a number whose perfect square is nearly equal to 30. Okay, greatest perfect square we have to find which is less than or equal to 30. So 3 4 ja 12 we can't take. It must be 3 into 3 or 4 into 4 we can take only this. Because we are taking square root. Okay. So 4, then point is there, put the point here. Decimal we put here. And here we won't put anything. Okay. Remember, we don't put here anything. Decimal we have put. Okay. Now plus 3 and here we are getting 6. Okay, check, keep check. Now check. Here what will come? So first decimal, forget it. Now what we should multiply? 46, 6 6 are 42, 6 7 are
7.
6 7 are 42, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42. Okay, we check for 7 once. Okay, 67 into 7. Okay, 7 7 are 49. Okay, 4 6 9 it is. Okay, so we don't have to check further. 8 or 6, we don't have to check whether it's the nearest or not. Okay, 3.469. Here, 7. Understood this one? So we were not able to predict here. So we go with the division method. This is clear? Clear to all?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear? Okay. Okay, second one, do it now. Second one. Second one, do it now. Today we are having one more period, okay? Second one, everyone do it. This you will go with prime factorization or the division method.
Prime factorization.
Okay, go with prime factorization. Okay, I will go with both. Okay, we'll discuss both. So, first write it in fraction. It is 2025. Okay, here it is 0.002025. This is given 3 6 zeros. 1 2 3 6 zeros. Okay, even number of zeros, so we can take out half of them out. Yes or no? So root of this one, root of 2025 divided by 1000. I have missed one step. Okay. Now 2025 factorize 2025. With what number it is going? 5 9 3 it is going, 9 it is 3 times 3. How much you have got? 3 6 18 22 7 5 again 3 3 to the 6 3 to the 6 5 again 3 7 21 5 again 3 25 5 5 5. Understood this one? Now you can calculate this one easily. The steps you can do. Okay. So how much? 45 upon 1000.
Sir,
It is
1000. Sir, 0.045.
0.045. Everyone who got the answer? Everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 2025
Yeah.
upon 100.
100. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros are there. So 10. So 1000 into 1000. 1000 we take out. Understood? Okay. Okay. For example, we do not know how we can calculate then. So 1000 is there. 2025 we can do using that one as well. Yes or no? 4 4 ja 16. 4 denominator 425. 4 plus 4 8. How much it will be? 9. 89 into 9. 85 into 5. 425. 45. Understood? This way as well we can do. Understood? 85 into 5. 425 is that. Have you understood this one? Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then third, do as homework. Fourth, do as homework. Fifth, so 1, 2, 3. Third one you will be able to do or not? 1, 2, 3. 3, yes, you will be able to do third one. Fourth one, 6 and 4. Okay. Okay, sixth one you do. Sixth one try to do. Sixth one, do it. Okay, and solve it using both methods. Okay, sixth one we are doing. Okay, do the sixth one and use both methods. We are going to use both methods. Try to do sixth one. Try to do sixth one. Last eighth Lily. Okay, you are not having free period today. Any free period now. So no free periods
Sir,
today.
today sir, 2 periods we have.
We have. Is third period free?
Sir, don't.
Okay. Abhimanyu, you can switch off your camera. Switch off your camera so that it will be available in full screen. Okay. So the recording will be available in full screen. Okay. So are you able to do 1.0.1.024? Everyone must solve, or else it will be trouble afterwards. Solve it today, free tomorrow. Yes or no? Solve the problem today and be free tomorrow. 1.024144. Okay. So how we can write 1024144? Such a big number. How much you will be able to do? Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 2, 5, 6. Okay, this is the number and its square root. Denominator will get 1000. Okay, 1024144. Keep dividing by 2. Have you solved? How many 2's you have got? 5, 1, 2, 0,
7, 2.
7, 2. Okay, again 2, 2, 11, 6,
2.
6, 2, 6, 6 you have got?
Sir, how 6?
Okay, 5.
Only, sir.
2, 11, 2, 5, 6, 0, 3, 6. Okay, again 2.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Two.
1, 4, 8, 0, 1, 8. 0, 1, 8.
1, 2, I think. Check it once.
8, 0, 1, 8.
0, 1, 8. Again 2, 6, 4, 0,
4, 0, 0, 9.
0, 9. Now check it with 3. Is it going? No.
No, sir.
Check it 5. No. 7. Check it once with 7. All the prime numbers to check. 7. No. There's one way also to check for 7. There's one way as well. I forgot that way. I'll tell you that how to find the. There was something heading them. 6, 0, 9. It is how much? Okay, 1 minute. 6, 6, 15. Minus 4. Okay, is it divisible by? Okay, 11 not divisible by. Okay, 9. 7. 11. Check for 11. Check for 11.
Yes, sir.
How you can show?
Yes, sir.
Check. 6,
5819.
15 minus 4. How much you have got?
अभिनव बीच में छोड़
800.
Add the digits at odd places, add the digits at even places. Their difference must be 0 or multiple of 11. Yes, check. Go for 11.
Then 5801.
81.
5801. Are you getting this one? Okay. 11 is there. Check it with 11 again. 5.
Sir, 520.
Sir, 500.
5819. Check it with 11 again.
529.
529. Okay. Check it with 11 again.
No, sir.
Okay. Check for the number.
Sir, 23.
23 is gone. Because others we have already seen. After 11, 13, 17. Keep checking. How much you got? 19, it's not going. 17, no. 23. 23. 23 or not? So see here, to predict these prime factors, it's a little bit difficult. Yes or no? To predict these prime factors, it took more time. Yes or no in this question? So big numbers, it took more time to predict.
Yes,
the prime
sir. These are hard.
These are hard, so better we can use. Can we go for division method? See now division method for this one. Okay, I'm rubbing this one. Okay, we'll go with, here it will be one last. Okay, we go with division method. Check for division method now. So smaller numbers, it's easy to go for factorization method. Okay, it is easy to go for factorization method. Bigger numbers, check. So we want to take the decimal or not, or simply for this number only you have to take 1024144. Okay. Okay. Should we go with the decimal number here or just this number?
Sir, decimal.
Okay. Put the decimal. Now pair them. How we are going to pair? From here, start this side. 1, 2, 3 pairs. Start from this side, it will remain single. Understood? Okay. So, whose square is greater? 1, 1, 1. What will be the remainder? 0?
Plus 1. 0.
0, 2. Okay. Now see here, there is one important thing here. Okay. Plus 1 here, 2. Okay. Forget about the 0. I'm putting 2 only. Okay. Or 0 as well. So here I have to
1
put
only.
decimal.
Decimal.
Okay, if you are saying 1 only, okay, check for ones now. Check for ones now. Very important thing is there. This question is very important. Okay, put here IMP. Okay, why this is important? We'll see now. Okay, if I put 1 here, 21 into 1, how much you are getting? 21. What is here? Only 2. So here number should be such that it is nearly equal to 2. But we are getting here. So can we put 1 here? No?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. There are two ways to do this now. Okay.
Zero.
If I put 0 here,
2 raised to
then
power 0, 1.
No raise to power here. If I put 0 here, I have to put 0 here. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have 20 into 0. How much? 20
0.
into 0. 0. So how much we are getting here? 0, 0. Okay. Take the remainder. 2 and 4. 2, 4, 1. Yes or no? Here how much I have to add? 0. 2, 0. And here, okay. And here we have to find. Here we have to find. Okay. Understood this one? It is very important. The same way in decimal, okay. In division also we used to do, if that is smaller, we used to put 0 and we used to take the other digit. Yes or no? If that is smaller, we used to take the other digits. Okay. I tell you here as well, one more thing here. Okay. Either you can do this one.
Sir, 1 we put it.
1 minute, 1 minute. Just leave it here. Okay. Just leave it here. 1.024144. Okay. We have got 1 into 1, 1, and plus 1, 2. Here we got 0, 2. Now see here we will be getting 2 digits number. Yes or no? 2 digit number will be getting. Here we have only 2. It means this is less as compared to this. So what you used to do? We used to put 0 here. Yes or no? We have to put 0 as well here. Now third digit we find, and this we put here. Either you can do this way or this way. Okay. Better is this one only. Okay. We'll go with this one. This one is more easy.
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Okay. We will always go with this one. Okay. On the onwards. We won't use that one. Okay. Okay. So here it is. Here we'll be having 2 digits, but here only single digit. Okay. So we multiply with 0, 0, 20. Now what we should have? Check for 201, 202. With 2 we are getting 404. It is greater. So 1 we have to go. 201. Same digits. Okay. 1, 2, 0, 1. How much you are getting LCM? 3,
Sir,
0,
30.
3, 0, and 4, 4 I put here. Okay.
Sir,
1
there 1 we put it. Plus 1.
plus 1 I put. It will be how much?
Sir, 2 0.
Here it is 4. 4044. Okay.
Sir, 202.
202, and this digit we have to find. Okay. Can you see some similarity?
Yes,
If
sir.
I forget 3 digits here, I forget 3 digits. I forget 3. 2. Check for 2.
Yes, sir.
4044. 2 and 0. Here 2. So which was easy here? Division or factorization?
Sir, factorization.
Division.
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 Yes or no?
Factorization.
So factorization is fine. See, you use this. There is one more question. There is one more question such that only. Okay, where this is coming less than as the divisor. This is coming less. Remainder is coming. This one. Dividend is coming less as compared to divisor. Understood this step? Why 0 came here? We will do this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So mark important there. Okay. For this question, mark important. I also mark important here. This is important one. Okay. Little different it is. Understood everyone this one? Okay. So fourth question is clear to all. Fifth question start 169 upon 484. These are small numbers. These are small numbers, so we can go for factorization. Yes or no? These are small numbers. These are small numbers, we can go for. Okay. Okay, before this, may I ask you something? Okay, what is the square of 11? Till 10 you all know.
121.
121.
11 square, 121. 12 square,
144.
13 square,
169.
169. 14 square, see here, 14 square is not required that much. 196. Okay. See here, which all you must remember. Since it is even, you can write 2 into 7 and you can easily factorize this one. But this one, we must remember. 12 also, we usually remember this one. Now it is 6 into 2. So prime numbers square we must remember. We must remember the prime numbers square. 15 square,
2 to 5.
2 to 5. 6 is also not required because 5 into 3 we can easily factorize and can get. Okay. 16 square, 2, 5, 2, 5, 6. Okay, this as well we don't require. 17
2, 8,
square.
9.
29.
2, 8, 9. Okay, and this we must have idea. Okay, so wherever 289 appear, 17 square. 289, 79. Okay, 29, 11, 11 minus 22, 22 minus 8, 14. Okay, now I remember. Okay, maybe this is the property 289. Whether it is divisible by 7 or not. How to check? How to check whether it is divisible by 7? 3 you know, 2 you know, 5 you know, 4 you as well, 8 as well. How to check for this?
Sir, we have to
Okay.
add the even numbers and the odd numbers.
Okay, add them. 2 and 9, 11. Here, 8. Then what you have to do?
Sir, we have to minus.
You are getting only 3. If you subtract, it gives 3 only. So see here, multiply it with 2. How much you are getting? 22 minus 8. How much you got? 14? Is 14 divisible by 7 or not? Yes. Therefore, this is divisible by 7. Maybe this is the property. Okay, I'll check it once. It just struck my mind. Okay, I'll check it once. Don't I have to confirm as well. Okay. Okay, and 18 square.
324.
324.
24. 18, 64, 324. 19 square.
361.
361.
361. So mainly 13 square you must remember, 15 square. We must have this an idea. Okay, we can calculate them as well. Sometimes we get 121, 169. They are the most used. 121, 144, 169. They are the most used. Okay, remaining not much important. These three you must remember. 121, 144, 169. Okay. Now do the first one. 169 divided by 484. Since numbers are smaller, we can use prime factorization method. Yes or no? If you are not getting answer from prime factorization method, don't stuck there. Go for division method immediately. Okay. First one, do it everyone. So write the steps first. Proper steps must be there. First one, 169 upon 384. 384, 480, 440, 484. Okay. They are perfect square circle. Okay. So we have to calculate root of 169 upon 484. So we can write it like this: 169 upon root of 484. Calculate them. 169 you already know. Okay, for example, we do not know.
2.
Okay, we do not know. So 484. Factorization 2, 242. 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, now you remember 11, 11, 1. So root of 2 into 2, 11 into 11. Make the pairs. Okay, 13 upon how much? 22. Understood or not? Everyone have understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll come do the rest in next period. One more period we have. Okay. We have one more period. So we'll do 1 or 2 more from 5th, then we'll 6th, few more. 7th up to 10th, we must try to complete. Okay. Okay, we'll understood this one. That important one you must remember. That is also going to come in 10th. 6th one.
Okay, sir.
10th, 6th also important. You can write the same. It will be coming 0. Okay, then we end the class here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Don't say bye. We are having one more period. We are going to meet again.